There's a boat full of his first fish. It's going
over
away.
there, way over there, hooking his first fish. We went left here, right?
Alright guys, got the first bonefish. More. And I'm just walking it. Those are probably about a little bit smaller than what Alright, Elias is over there. He's looking at. Whoa, 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 whoa. Gonna let this one go. Is it ready, yeah? Not all right. This is not always start everything. It's kind of like he's going to get in the game pretty soon. I got this one on. Elias is going for one right now. Lining them up. Backhand. It's like it's Wimbledon right now. Backhand. Oh, fish is following. Keep that fly in line with them. You got a chance.